I introduced Uncle Joe to Dustin and his staff.
I knew about this law firm.
And Dustin's staff were great taking care of him. They loved hearing his stories.
Came over and I had a wonderful experience.
I have 2 children that I have to look out for, so it's really important for me to get that straightened out ahead of time.
Well, we actually met Dustin at church and found out that he was an attorney specifically working with trusts and that sort of thing. And so we had been newly married and knew that we wanted to get a revocability trust.
Surprised to see everything, how it really worked versus what you thought it worked, because YouTube tells you one thing and then the reality is a little bit slightly different.
He walked me through the steps of updating our will and trust.
He seemed to be very knowledgeable. We were really impressed with Dustin's ability to help us, and to guide us, and to lead us to where we needed to go.
The quality of work that Dustin did, as a lawyer, I respected that very much, and I trusted his staff to take care of my estate and trust as well.
That we needed to put together a trust, but he helped us with the will and the different types of trusts.
I think it was like 2008 that we did the original document. And I was quite impressed with that to begin with, because it was an embellishment on the document that I had prior to that, and gave me a better understanding of what the trust is supposed to do.
So it was relatively painless, and it was very helpful to us.
He is available, he is trustworthy, and he is very knowledgeable.
On my experience, having a trust done properly through an attorney such as Dustin is just invaluable. And not just the paperwork, but having the personal consultation and having the ability to just phone them up at any time with any question.
So if anybody asked me whether they needed an estate, a will, and a trust, I would say absolutely.
This is a wonderful law firm. CPT law, I didn't know about it until I got the referral from my investor.
And I would absolutely recommend, no matter what the size of your estate is, contact Dustin's firm and get it taken care of.